During this beautiful renovation project, Apollo Screen and Shade had the privilege of installing custom power shades on the upper deck patio, transforming the space into a private, comfortable outdoor retreat. Once the renovation was complete, the difference was truly remarkable. The homeowner can now relax, entertain, and enjoy the upper deck in total comfort. These power shades provide powerful protection from harsh sunlight, UV rays, bugs, and even light rain, while significantly cutting down glare. The patio stays cooler, more comfortable, and usable throughout the day. And here's the best part. From the inside, you get a clear, open view of the outdoors. But from the outside, the shades create privacy, keeping neighbors' views out while maintaining your connection to the beautiful surroundings. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step toward a new way of living today and transform your outdoor space into the comfort you truly deserve. Apollo Screen and Shade. Call us today.